Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a unboxing and short review of the ESR protective phone case for Galaxy S21. So here's what the overall packaging looks like. Very straightforward packaging. And yeah, so I'm doing a brief series on S21 cases, the most highly rated on Amazon. So without further ado, let's hop right into this unboxing, and I'm going to give you my honest impressions and review of this phone case in terms of like overall build quality and grippiness and all that sorts of stuff. So I have a bunch of other cases to review on this channel as well, so stay tuned for those videos coming out in the future. Let's hop right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at this phone case and how it actually fits on the device itself. Okay, so here we have the device, or the case box itself. This is what it looks like, and here is my S21 right here. So I currently have a Taurus case on here, but I'm going to be reviewing it for this video. So here's the S21 itself. Put that over to the side, and let's unbox this thing real quick. Overall unboxing experience, I think, is going to be mediocre at best. Packaging is like pretty cheap. And here we have some material, little notes here, a few tips and tricks about wiping it down. That's not useful. And then tapping too hard may knock the phone over. So this is the one that actually comes with the stand itself. And it's funny because like this case on Amazon, there's like another Taurus case that looks identical to this case. Like when I say identical, I mean like it literally looks the exact same. So I don't know if this is just a off-brand ripoff of the Taurus case. It could be. So this is what, ERS right here. Yeah, so that's ESR, sorry. So ESR. Maybe they just got the same exact design. I'm pretty sure this is made in China, so nothing too special. But the main kicker here, no pun intended, is that it's actually has a stand. So, I mean, personally, I think that having a stand on your phone is neat. I don't think it's everything, though. I mean, but it's definitely cool. But the thing is here, it does bulge out a little, as you can see right there. But I did get the matte black color, obviously. All the cases I got, by the way, I think I got 6 total. All of them are matte black, so just to keep it somewhat constant so that doesn't vary. So I'm not going to let like color swing me or anything. So here's the kickstand. It actually feels pretty solid, I'm not going to lie. The case is a little flimsy, to be honest, but the kickstand feels solid, and you can put it at a bunch of different angles, not only like in this orientation, but also like this if you're watching movies or something like that. But we have cutouts for the microphones, the camera right here, as you can see. That's what the back looks like. I think I get a close-up shot of this. This is what the back looks like. I think it looks pretty clean overall. As I said, it does feel like this is one of the cheaper cases I got. I think it was like $16 on Amazon. But volume cutouts feel a little strange, as you can see right there. That doesn't look too similar to my old case. Where is it? If we compare mine, yeah, this actually has the 2 rubber buttons in there. This one has a weird cutout on it. Not too sure why it looks like that, but let's actually slap the phone in here, because that's why you guys came. Okay, so right off the bat, let me pop that in there. Right off the bat, you can feel this is more cheap than my current Taurus case right here. It's more cheap. I mean, it's like straight off the bat I can tell. And that bump is not the best for grip. Pretty slippery in my opinion. So if they could improve the overall, like, I don't know, the plastic of this case, I would like it a lot more. I guess they put most of the money in the actual stand itself, but let's see how that actually works out here. So we pop it out, boom. And you know what? There's still even some wobble here. Maybe I have to adjust the angle? No. I guess that's the best, but there's still a little wobble, so like you gotta really like set it down here. I guess it works better for landscape. Yeah, it probably works better for landscape stuff, but it's still, any little tap will throw it a little off axis. But overall, if I were to give my like actual like final thoughts on this, I'd say the material is pretty cheap overall. Let me test the buttons. Buttons feel fine. I wish it was a little more raised, a little more pronounced, I guess. It's like decent. Cutouts look fine for the most part. No issues there. I don't know in terms of drop protection, like if you actually drop the phone, maybe on the back it's fine because you have this giant lip. Okay, people, final thoughts on the, here it is, ESR S21 case with the built-in kickstand. So do I recommend this? Only if you absolutely need the built-in kickstand. You can always go out and buy a pop socket for like $5 out there on Amazon, which is going to add circular bulk to the middle of the device. But if you want it built in straight into your case, by all means, go pick up this one. Now, this is not going to help you with too much drop protection. It's a flimsy material, obviously, as I mentioned already. The buttons aren't that great. The button cutouts, I mean. And overall feels cheap, but it has that built-in stand if you want it to really stand up for watching content or maybe doing video calls or something like that. So just keep that in mind. So, and this goes for like around, right. So this thing goes for $17 on Amazon right now. Link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. I have other S21 cases I'm going to be reviewing on my channel, so stay tuned for those videos. If you like this sort of content, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Like this video, help share it, and promote it on the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.